Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to build a Telegram AI bot with N8N. So first, you will have to go to your Telegram and then you will search for bot fodder and then create a new bot and copy the token. Now, open your N8N and then you will have to click new workflow or create workflow. And now you will have to add a Telegram node, Telegram trigger node, and just click on it. And what you will have to do next is paste your bot token. This will receive messages from Telegram. Then you will add an OpenAI or HTTP node next and set it to send user messages to ChatGPT. Then you will have to add a Telegram send message node. Map the response from OpenAI back to Telegram. Connect all nodes, trigger OpenAI, send message, and then you will just have to click activate. Your AI Telegram bot is now live. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped.